USLT stands on the historical milestones of outstanding board performances, excellent program accreditations, and international rankings. It perseveres to provide quality, responsive, and globally competitive Catholic education in the Cagayan Valley region. A symbol of legacy and progress. From humble beginnings in 1965, our logo has transformed to embody our mission and vision. Each transformation reflects a pivotal chapter in our journey. The redesigned USLT logo seamlessly blends traditional elements, honoring the university's rich heritage with modern symbols of innovation and technology, capturing the essence of a contemporary academic institution and representing USLT's spirit, aspirations, and unwavering commitment to leading educational excellence and holistic development in the 21st century. Our color palette is a vivid expression of who we are and who we strive to be. Sword and shield. Cross and lily. Corn and rice stalks. Bulb and cogs. Wisdom builds. Diamond. This represents USLT's 60th founding anniversary. USLT at 60, Diamond of Excellence, Jewel of Achievements. Each element of our new logo has been thoughtfully crafted to represent our values, faith, and aspirations. Today, we present the redesigned University of St. Louis Tuguegarao logo, a symbol of our enduring legacy and bright future. Rooted in a tradition of excellence, we march forward with renewed vigor, embracing the opportunities of tomorrow. University of St. Louis Tuguegarao.